How to give access on Google Drive. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can simply give the access on Google Drive to anybody you want to. So what you have to do is follow these simple steps. First of all, you're going to go and download the Google Drive in your mobile phone devices. Once it has been downloaded, you just have to open up the application. So here it is, and look for any of the document or folder that you want to share. For example, this is the picture or this is the folder I want to share with somebody. So a new dialog box will appear in which you will go to the manage people and links, and which you're going to set up how you want to change the link settings to. So firstly, the remotely or by default the settings is restricted, so you have to choose that anyone with the link. So you can also do that restricted one, in which you'll only be allowed to or have the people this video or this link whom you have shared this with. So personally I prefer to keep it anybody with the link, because I do not have anything that is so confidential. So once you have done that, now just beneath that there is this weird option. When you'll tap on the arrow down button, you get these three options in the new dialog box that states viewer, commenter and editor. The viewer is the most basic one. It only has the option of just view the profile. It can that specific person cannot add on it. The commenter can make ads or comments on it. The editor person can wholly edit the video as per his wish or command, and the commenter can basically comment on the video. And viewer, as I've told before, it is the most basic option in which the person can only view this. So this is how it is. So once you have selected these options, you're going to go and tap on the plus icon or the person icon that is at the top right corner of the screen. So you'll add the people. For example, I want to share this with this person, so I have wrote my message and I'm done with it. I've chosen that editor option, that this person can do whatever he wants to do with this video. So when I'm going to tap on this arrowhead icon at the right side of the screen in the bottom side, this eventually would be shared with that person in no time. So this is how you do it. This is how you share something or give access to your file through Drive to any person you want. I hope this was informative. Don't forget to give it a like, comment, share and subscribe. Till next time, peace.